If you're serious about privacy, you've probably seen terms like double VPN or onion over VPN thrown around. Both sound fancy, both add extra protection, but they're not the same thing. So which one should you actually use? Let's start with double VPN. Pretty simple. Instead of your traffic going through one VPN server, it goes through two. Server 1 sees your real IP, encrypts your data, and passes it to server 2. Server 2 decrypts one layer and pushes it out to the internet. Even if one server gets compromised, you're still covered. It's basically double locking your door. This is great if you're in a surveillance-heavy region, you're a journalist, an activist, or just someone dealing with sensitive stuff. Now, onion over VPN. This one's heavier. First, your traffic hits a VPN server, then it jumps into the Tor network, bouncing around through multiple relays. Each relay only knows the step before and after it, which makes tracing you incredibly difficult. Think of it like going through a maze with a bunch of secret doors. This setup is for the hardcore privacy seekers, people trying to get around censorship, or anyone who needs safe access to .onion sites. So what's the trade-off? Double VPN gives you stronger security and double encryption. It's simple, usually built right into the app. Downsides? It's slower than a single VPN and not every provider gives you lots of server options. Honestly, it can be overkill if you're just a casual user. Onion over VPN? Maximum anonymity. Your ISP can't even see you're using Tor. It's amazing for censorship bypass, but it's also painfully slow, more complicated to set up, and you still have to trust your VPN provider on that first hop. Here's the quick comparison. Double VPN equals stronger security with less of a speed hit. Onion over VPN equals maximum anonymity, but way slower. So which should you choose? If you want solid protection and don't want your connection to crawl, go with double VPN. If anonymity is the #1 priority and you don't mind things slowing down, Onion over VPN is the way to go. And hey, if you're just using a VPN for Netflix or public Wi-Fi, stick with the regular VPN tunnel. You don't need the extra baggage. Bottom line, both of these features are great tools, but the right one depends on whether you value speed and security, or total anonymity and censorship resistance. And before you go, make sure to check the description below. I've got a free VPN checklist for you that'll help you figure out which features actually matter for your setup.